Alright, vlog number one. Since I'm working here at Crazy Cars and I take pictures of their used inventory, as you see, I thought of coming with these type of videos, kind of me doing my job and also reviewing the car while I take pictures, since maybe some of you might be in search for a pre-owned vehicle. So this is vlog number one, and I have a couple of cars today. As you can see, I have three more cars after this Acura TLX A-Spec. We're gonna go through the process with them. Video number one, it's gonna be with this Acura TLX. So let's start right now, and I'm just gonna do what I do usually here, take the pictures before I post them, and then you guys let me know what you think about the car. We'll look at the features, because I take pictures of all the features that the car comes with, exterior, interior, and if you're interested in this car, let me know what you think about it. So let's start. First, we're gonna start with a picture in the back. There we go. And then we're gonna turn the car around. I'm using an iPhone 17, by the way, to record, and to shoot the pictures I use the Nikon Z6. It's a mirrorless camera, full frame. I've been using this for a lot of years, and it's a perfect camera for the job. It's a little bit overkill, but hey, it does the job. We'll get a front picture. I have to close this window. Let me turn this thing up. As you can see, it has a red interior, pretty nice. Right. Then we're gonna go with a side picture. This is gonna be the main picture for the listing. And then side. I'm also gonna show you the pictures that I'm taking, just for reference, in case you plan to do this job or you plan to sell your car. This is what typical dealerships do. Some do more, some do less, but I think I found the perfect spot of 45 to 50 pictures. You do not want to overkill it. You want the customer to also come see the car themselves. So you want to show the car, but not too much. My opinion, by the way. Okay, let's start with the details. The grille. There we go. I like to take this angle. Tail light with a rim, with a grille. And we go to the rims. This has beautiful dark rims. And the size of these Michelin tires, they're 19 inch. This is a A-Spec, which is their like sporty model. I take a picture of the camera on top, which means it has lane assist and all the safety features. Also keyless entry, as you can see the button right there. We'll go back to the back wheel, and then it has one lip here. Take pictures of that. You want to take pictures of the tail light, and then the camera on the back, also the other tail light, and also I taken this type of angle. I like it because it shows the exhaust, the back bumper, And then we're gonna go to the other tire. Start it there. And the last will be before we move on the interior. So now we're gonna move on the interior. So first I remove the welcome papers. I like to take the interior pictures without it. I'm gonna leave you guys right here for now while I adjust the interior. I like to start the car and also put down all the windows, and also I open the sunshade. Right. So I want to move down the seats and put them back a bit. Alrighty. So right now we are ready to take pictures of the interior. This is how I usually start, in the center here. So I kind of take this angle, take a couple of shots from here, and then take a shot of the console, central console, which this car has two screens. One is for navigation and backup camera, and the other one is for AC and all of that stuff. Also, I like to take this angle too, and then this one as well. Then we go to the gear shifter right here, and now the steering wheel. We get two shots here, one from far, one from close, and then we have another angle from the side right here. And then I like to go in the front. So it's a pretty beautiful car. They're pretty reliable. This one, it's in really great condition, as you can see. I like to take a picture of the VIN, and I can use it later to post it online. And then we'll go right here, take a picture of the mileage. This car has about 93,000 miles. I mean, the car technically looks like it's brand new. So it has a lot of life left in it. It has navigation. I'll take a picture of that, and then I'll put it on reverse, and then I'll take a picture of the rear backup camera. Everybody needs that. And then here you have heated seats, all the navigation button, and I'll take a picture of that. Then I go for this angle right here, which shows the front seat. This car, then I go to the buttons. As we took a picture of the front camera, you can see that this car can like keep itself in the lanes and has adaptive cruise control. So make sure you take pictures of that. And then I'll go out. I'll take pictures of these features right here, which are like the parking sensors and all the safety equipment that the car has, which you can choose to turn them off. And also you have the back trunk and also the gas as well. Now we'll take a picture of this angle, and then right here this one as well. I get a closer shot as well for the seats. And then I'll go right here. Okay, move to the back. Same thing to the back. Take a couple of shots of the back. As I said, you want to be as fast as you can because you're taking a lot of pictures, limited time. And then we take a picture of the trunk size. Make sure it's on focus always. Pay attention to that. This one doesn't have any button to close it, so manually close it. But look at that exhaust, pretty cool. Then my next shot is this angle right here. Sometimes I have to move the seat, electronic seat on the passenger side, which makes it easier. So it's moved down. So this is another shot, and then a closer one, and then we are on the last couple of pictures. Right, one here and one here, and that would be it for the pictures and for the car. Let me know what you guys think about this car, and I'm just gonna move to the next one. So if you're interested and you like this video, I'm just trying it out to show you guys like what I do and show you the used market and the used cars. Maybe you're interested in buying one of these. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what I should do better or what you guys are interested more, and I'll do it. So I'll move to the next car now.